Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. Today we are going to do working with the language. So, in the first point, there is a read the following conversation. Okay, so we shall read the conversation. Ravi says, "What are you doing?" Okay, Ravi says, "What are you doing?" Mridu says, "I am reading a book." Ravi says, "Who wrote it?" Mridu says, "Ruskin Bond." Ravi says, "Where did you find it?" Mridu says, "In the library." So, you must have noticed that word what, who, where are question words. Dear students, in the pronoun grammar chapter, we have learned, and in adjective, we have learned about interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjectives. And the WH questions are the words which used to ask questions. So, questions that require information being with the question words. Some other question words are when, why, where, which, and how. So remember that what ask about action and things, who is used to ask about people, which is asked about people or thing, where is asked about place, when is asked about time, why is asked about reason or purpose, how is asked about means, manner or degree, and who is used to ask about possession. Possession means belongings. It shows the belongings. Okay. So let's go on the next page. There is a paragraph. Read the following paragraph and frame questions on the italic phrases. So in the paragraph you can see there are italic phrases. Anil is in school. I am in school too. Anil is sitting in the left row. He is reading a book. Anil's friend is sitting in the second row. He is sharpening his pencil. The teacher is writing on the blackboard. Children are writing in their copybooks. Some children are looking out of the window. Okay? So here there are the answers. How to ask a questions, WH questions. So where is Anil? So Anil is in the school. Which row is Anil sitting? Anil is sitting in the left row. What is Anil doing? Anil is reading a book. Which row is Anil's friend sitting in? Anil's friend is sitting in the second row. What is he doing? He is sharpening his pencil. Who is writing on the blackboard? The teacher is writing on the blackboard. What are some children doing? Children are writing in their copybooks. Okay? And some children are looking out of the window. So, and the second point is, first we have completed, that is WH questions. Write appropriate question words in the blank space in the following dialogues. So, Neha says, "Dash did you get this book?" So, the Neha says answers are given here. Dear students, answers are given here. See, you can see answers are there. So, what did you get this? When did you get this book? Sheila says, "Yesterday morning." Neha says, Why is your sister crying?" Sheila says, "Because she has lost her doll." Neha says, "Whose room is this, yours or hers?" Sheila says, "It's ours." Neha says, "How do you go to school?" Sheila says, "We walk to school. It is nearby." So, dear students, the answer of these questions are given here. Okay. Now, let us go to the point number 3, that is fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. Again, WH questions. My friend lost his chemistry book. Now, he doesn't know. Okay. My friend lost his chemistry book and he doesn't know. Okay. He doesn't know. So, answer to do and dash to look for it. So, the first, what to do and where to look for it. Okay, what to do and where to look for it. In the first blank you have to write what, and second blank you have to write where. Second, there are So many toys in the shops. Nina can't decide dash one to buy. So the word which is used to point out the thing. So we'll use there are so many toys in the shops. Nina can't decide which one to buy. You don't know the way to my school. Ask the policeman. Dash to get there. Okay. You don't know the way to my school. Ask the policeman when to get there. You should decide soon how to start building your house. You should decide soon how to start building your house. Number 4 is, okay, number 4 already we have done. You should decide soon when to start building your house. Number 5, do you know how to ride a bicycle? Do you know how to ride a bicycle? I don't remember when and where I learned it. Okay, so do you know how to ride a bicycle? I don't remember when and how I learned it. Okay, so my friend lost his chemistry book. Now he doesn't know what to do and where to find it. There are so many toys in the shops. Nina can't decide which one to buy. You don't know the way to my school. Ask the policeman how to get there. You should decide soon when to start building your house. Do you know when I ride a bicycle? I don't remember when and how I learned it. Okay, when and how I learned it. Number 5 is, you should know when to talk and where to keep your mouth shut. Yeah, you should know when to talk and where to keep your mouth shut. The teacher advised Anil. Okay, so dear students, answers of the number 3 fill in the blanks are given. Here you can go through it. Number 4 is add im or en to each of the following words and use them in place of the italic side words in the sentence given below. Okay, so patience, proper, possible, sensitive and components words are given. So the first sentence will go, the project appears very difficult at first sight, but it can be completed if we work very hard. So the sentence, see, answers are here. Dear students, answers of those sentences are here. Okay, we'll go the first answer. The project appears impossible at first sight, but it can be completed if we work very hard. Number 2, he lacks components. That's why he can't keep any job for more than a year. So he is incompetent. That's why he can't keep any job for more than a year. Number 3, don't lose patience. Your letter will come one day, the postman told me. Don't be impatient. Your letter will come one day, said the postman. Dear students, we have learned about prefix and suffix. Okay, the same way we are doing here. That is not a proper remark to make under the circumstances. So the answer is, that is an improper remark to make under the circumstances. He appears to be without sensitivity. In fact, he is very emotional. He appears to be insensitive. In fact, he is very emotional. Okay, and number 5 is, in working with the language, number 5 is, we shall go through it. Number 5 we shall go through it. That is, read the following sentences. It was a cold morning and Saturn still glowed in the sky. An old man was walking along the road. The words in italics are articles. Dear students, we have already learned what are the articles. indefinite article and definite article in our grammar lesson. So, a and n are indefinite articles and the is used the definite articles. A is used before a singular countable noun and n is used before a word that begins with a vowel. So here in the box the words are given, we have to fill in the blanks. Okay. So there are the words and answer is in on the next page. Okay. Let's go through it. So here there are the answer here. Okay. Here there are the answer with the paragraph. Let's go through. There was once a play with which became very successful. A famous actor was sitting in it. In the play, why the is taken there second time. The noun is repeated second time. So we are taking the here. The play, his role was that of an astricot who had been imprisoned in a castle for 20 years. In the last act of the play, someone would come on the stage with a letter which he would hand over to the prisoner. Even though the aristocrat was not expert to read the letter at each performance, he always insisted that the letter be written out from beginning to end. Okay? And in the working with the language, number 6 is to encircle the correct the articles. So here it is the given. Would you like dash apple or banana? So singular form. So would you like an apple or a banana? Apple, A is a vowel and B banana B is a consonant. So we have taken an apple or a banana. I would like an apple, please. Take the red one in the fruit bowl. You may take an orange also if you like. Which one? Which one? The one beside the banana. So dear students, here we complete our working with the text. All the exercise with the answers you have to complete in your notebook with a good handwriting. Have a good day and thank you to